In this video, I'm going to give you guys a peek behind the curtain. Every week in VoiceOver School, I do a watch me work, meaning I let people in my community watch me as I audition and edit and submit and bid for the jobs in real time. And I'm going to give you guys a clip of that today. So sit back, buckle up, and if this is the kind of content you're into, let me know in the comments. Better yet, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. Here is me auditioning live. Let's see here. So this one says 140 years of JCI innovation. They say real person, believable, conversational, but I see this two different ways. And it's really short. So whenever it's short like this, I'll do it two different ways just to give them options. Okay, here we go. 2 takes. From powering safer buildings with Edison to enabling polio vaccine production to supporting NASA's giant leaps. Our company has always been where innovation begins. Now I'm going to do one a little bit more conversational. From powering safer buildings with Edison to enabling polio vaccine production to supporting NASA's giant leaps. Our company has always been where innovation begins. And that's it. Next one is decorators. Oh, it's for like somebody specific. I'm glad this came up because whenever you see one that's posted, like they posted it for somebody else, do it anyway. You can change their minds. I have booked jobs where they say that it was they posted it for somebody else. It'll say like the name for this voiceover person. And I did it anyway. And they're like, oh, we originally posted that for a different voice actor, but we're actually going to use you. So you can actually, hey, if it ends up in your inbox, it's fair game. If I followed where it says role, narrator, style, genuine, articulate, and just took that at face value and did this, it would be bland. But I can see right here, when you build with decorators, you'll need to get used to attention. Decorators stands out. I see humor in this because that goes with my personality. So I'm going to put it in this. When you build with decorators, you'll need to get used to attention. Decorators stand out. The neighbors will notice. Decorators stand out. With decorators, the neighbors will notice. With decorators, the neighbors will notice. Decorators stand out. Boom. And if everybody has any questions about anything, it doesn't have to be related to this, just about their day, or if you need advice with anything in voiceover, now's the time to do it. 2-minute VO for cinematic tech trailer style video. Welcome to the fast lane of enterprise connectivity, where your most mission critical data doesn't just fly, it blazes down the track. As soon as I see that line, it blazes down the track. If I was to do this just conversational, would that work? As soon as they came to that line, think about it. That's why you want to look at not just what the project details are, the role, the style, what they say they want. You want to look at the script too, because the script is going to tell you the most. As soon as I see it doesn't just fly, it blazes on the track, I know exactly what I got to do. Welcome to the fast lane of enterprise connectivity, where your most mission-critical data doesn't just fly, it blazes down the track. Introducing Lumen Wavelength Services, your private express lane for massive data transfers, AI workloads, and multi-cloud movement. Lumen operates the largest ultra-low loss fiber network in North America, with over 340,000 global fiber route miles, including 78,000 miles of 400G-enabled routes. And we're just getting started. We recently delivered 1.2 terabit per second. We recently delivered a 1.2 terabit per second signal across more than 1,800 miles. The longest non-regenerated wavelength signal in the world. That's speed. That's reach. That's what investment looks like. But this isn't just fast. It's smart. And that's it. So that was the 2-minute video. Let's see if there's anything else. Let's check over here first. Here's a good one in Voice 123. I've already done like 40 auditions. It's not a bad day. There's quite a few. Do you ignore the bold? Yeah, I do most of the time. Let's see, Emporia View plugs. Every month you pay your electric bill. Every month you pay your electric bill. But do you actually know what you're paying for? With the Emporia View Home Energy Monitor, you can know exactly how much energy your home is using at the circuit level in real time, helping you spot energy hogs and lower your bills. It even protects your home by letting you know when you've left your oven on, or it even protects your home by letting you know when you've left your oven on, or if your sump pump has been running nonstop. Plus, it lets you automate
Plus, it lets you automate other connected smart devices like Emporia EV chargers and smart plugs, saving you time, energy, and money, so you can get on with life. The Emporia View Home Energy Monitor. No more. Save more. Live more. Available with up to 16 circuit sensors. Done. Oh, this here, announcer VO. Okay, we'll do this and then we'll go edit, because then I gotta give the stand that you're watching me on to Heather, because her TikToks, she started TikTok and she's already got like 3 times as many followers as I do in like a week it took her. It's crazy, huh? I want her to get into VO, but she wants to be a TikTok star. Okay, so I did a different one for them earlier where I was playing the character of like a dumb husband. So these are kind of fun, but I know that from the ad I already did. So if I didn't know that, I don't know how I'd do this. But knowing how they did the other ad, I'll probably put a little sense of humor into it. You're doing a VO, but you want to sound authentic. But you amp up the energy a little bit. New Garage Door is the #1 garage update to help increase the value of your home. So if you need a new garage door, call garage.com at 844-GARAGE4 now. That's 844-GARAGE4 now. That's 844-GARAGE4. Call garage.com now at 844-GARAGE4. That's 844-GARAGE4. And then faster. A new garage door is the #1 garage update to help increase the value of your home. So if you need a new garage door, call garage.com at 844-GARAGE4 now. That's 844-GARAGE4. Call garage.com now at 844-GARAGE4. That's 844-GARAGE4. So I guess it's a little announcer. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the computer. Hey, Jesse, any tips for when you're feeling under the weather and your voice isn't 100%? You work anyway. Most of the time, people don't notice the way you do. You'll notice like if anything's off with your voice. And sometimes I feel like when my voice is, even when I'm like not sick, if my voice is just not 100%, I'm always reluctant to like do the voiceovers. Here you go. There's the TikTok star right there. I'm always reluctant to do voiceovers because my voice isn't 100%, but I still book. I still book when my voice isn't 100%. I still book when I'm sick. The only time I'd say is when you got to rest when you're sick is like if it's a nasal thing, because that'll make your nose sound plugged. So that's the only time that would really take me down if you're like legit plugged. But it's my career, right? So I go to like the pharmacy and I load up. I get all the decongestants. I take like double doses of everything. Like I get up on on cold and flu medicine. Cause like it's, potentially thousands of dollars at stake. So you do what you got to do, or you can just take a rest. But me, I'm a beast and I like to just take all the cough medicine and decongestants and just go for it. So I'm going to share the screen and then we're going to get into this editing stuff. Oh my God, I didn't record any of that. No. Okay. This is the second time that I've done that. So what we're going to do instead, dad brain, exactly. Other than that, so one thing you guys can do when you go into your jobs, when you want to go back and contact people you've already worked with, one thing that's really good to do is go to like where done is, right? And then you can have budgets high to low. And it'll show all the biggest jobs that you've had, all the big ones, right? On voices.com. And you can go through these. So I got like 535 people, right? It'll be easier for you in the beginning because you might only have like 25. But once you get past 100 different bookings, then it's hard to navigate and keep in touch with them, because when you go into the messaging system, it doesn't really filter. And if you try to search inside of it, show name, it's not the name of the person. Usually it's the name of the company. And you're like, oh, I don't know who the hell I was talking to. And they share accounts. It's a really clunky system. So this is how you stay in touch with past clients. Go to the done and go and sort it by high to low, because your the clients that pay the most, those are the priority clients, right? So you can go into them and like, okay, so this is like a big one here, Brooks Brothers. And I'll be like, when's the last time I messaged them? Portfolio. So that was like December 12th of last year. And let's see if they did your review. They didn't. So I'm just going to go like this. This is how you keep in touch with people. Wait, let's go like this. Hope you're well. Just circling back is my favorite message in the world. And that's an easy way to keep in touch with clients. You could just keep doing that over and over and over. And it's important. When I talk to my clients, most voice actors do what I did with them, which is post and ghost, like pump and dump them. Just turn in the project, never check back, collect the payment, I'm out. And that's not how you build a good client list, because this is how you have, like, generally speaking, I have about, I'd say somewhere between 20 and 30% of my monthly voiceover income comes from repeat business. I want to amp that up. I think I'm leaving money on the table. I think I could have like a good 50, 60% coming from repeat business because I have so many clients. So I hope this was kind of like enlightening for you guys to see. This is all it has to be. You can think of all these things off the top of your head. If you haven't got the demo, if you haven't thanked them for working with you, you can send that. If you haven't got the project, the finished project, or asked for it, you can send that. You don't have to do that all at the same time. You could do it like every couple of weeks, or even once a month. Although I'd like to get the review and make contact after it's done sooner than that. You can ask for a review. You can also say what I'm looking at doing only with people that I've worked with. Hey, just a heads up. If you've got anything coming down the pipe that I might be right for, would love to audition for it. And I give free voice tracks or free scratch tracks for past clients, just saying, something like that, to let them know you're here to help them out. Can you elaborate on what a scratch track is? I don't have to elaborate on it. It's not very elaborate. It's just, a scratch track is when you voice a project before they're actually going to, it's like you're voicing the first draft. So when they make, let's say there's an animatics and there's a video and all that, they need to time out their copy to the video and work on it. So they use a scratch track, which kind of like is the working sort of voice for it. But it's not always the voice actor that does it. Actually, rarely these days is the voice actor. Most of the time it's AI, and they can't get it to do what they want it to do. So whenever you see like a scratch track, or sometimes they might call it a guide track, when you book a job, they'll say, here, we had an AI do the scratch track. Don't do what it did. We hate it. So that's why you can offer free scratch tracks. So, for those of you who don't know, ad agencies, they audition for jobs kind of the same way that voice actors do, where they create a whole proposal. They'll get a scratch track that they'll either get an AI to do or in-house, or if they have a voice actor that's really good to them, they'll use that, and then it will increase their odds of actually landing the job. And if you do a scratch track for an agency and the scratch track books that, like, the agency that used your scratch track books that job, you have a high likelihood of booking that job, especially if you did a good job. So that's what a scratch track is. Okay, I got to run, guys. So we will see you later on. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. And if you're interested in taking part in Watch Me Work and watching me do it real time and asking me about my process, like everybody in my community, join VoiceOver School. Links below. Other than that, I've been Jesse. This has been another video. Later.